Hey guys, so I'm actually just gonna do another quick message because I just did a message, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But in that video, I was actually talking, and two guys walked past me. One of them waved as they walked by, of course, for the camera. Now that just got me thinking how so many of us, including myself, used to get so caught up in your fears. You know, because I always didn't want to record. I was scared to record in front of people. I was scared to create content outside. When I went to Europe with my mom, it just made me so anxious to record around people because they're like, I'm thinking, oh, what they're gonna say, what are they gonna think, blah 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 blah. That has held me back for so long. And now watching me come outside and record like it's nothing and not caring or thinking about whatever who wants to think or who wants to see her, and getting caught up in my fears and my doubts. So whoever you are right now, do not allow your fears to hold you back any longer. Don't. Whatever it is that you've been being pulled to do, to try, to create, to explore, go and do it. Don't allow those fears, doubts, naysayers, or anybody stop you. As long as something that's positive, something that you enjoy, something you're passionate about, why not go do it, right? You don't have to ask anybody's opinion, anybody's advice on it, or anything like that. Because in truth, we're all out here just trying to make it, right? And everybody has their own thing going on. And at the end of the day, most people don't care. Let's say you're supposed to create content like I'm supposed to be doing right now, and it requires you to be outside to do that. The people passing won't care. They don't care, especially at this point, considering so many people create content, right? But people don't care. So stop allowing your own negative thoughts, that negative self-talk, stop you from doing something that you enjoy, something that you feel pulled to do, something that you're passionate about, or anything like that. Stop it. Stop. All right, get up and go do it. Push yourself, get out of your comfort zone, get a bit uncomfortable for a while, because eventually you're gonna be a pro at it, whatever that is that you're planning to try, right? Or to create, right? Get up and try doing it. Don't allow those thoughts to hold you back. Don't allow your fears to stop you. Don't allow what you think, oh, your neighbor is going to say, your family member is going to say, this friend is going to say, what they're going to think about you. Listen, anybody that's saying negative about something you're going to try or something you're passionate about, it's because they're too scared to try it. It's because they don't have the guts to go out and do it. So when they see you doing it, they feel a bit jealous, right? So they're going to try to tear you down and stop you from doing it because they're jealous, scared, whatever it may be, right? So you have to be a leader sometimes and step out, and don't allow your fears to stop you. Don't allow those negative thoughts to win, because anything that you can dream, anything that you can think up in your mind, you can bring into reality if you work hard, and God wants that, of course, for that to be in your life, right? So with that as well, whatever it is that you want to do, try, create, whatever move you want to make, you want to switch jobs, you want to move to a different country, you want to try a different hobby, you want to write a book, you want to start a YouTube channel, whatever it may be, bring it to God. Allow Him to confirm it for you. Allow Him to let you know what direction He needs you to go down, right? And once God gives you the go ahead, there's nothing any man on earth can stop that from happening for you, as long as God is 100% for it, right? So whoever you are in this moment thinking you're too scared, you're worried about this, you're thinking all sorts of what ifs, drop them all and just have faith in whatever confirmation God has given you. Because once again, God wants to see you win. So get up and go do it. Get up and go try it, right? So I'm gonna leave it here. I didn't mean to do a second video, but I was just driven in this moment, realizing, hey, here am I for finally jumping into this YouTube thing with 2 legs, 2 feet in, knowing that God said, yo, I need you to go do this. I had to get over my fears. I had to stop worrying about other people's opinions, what they wanted, what they expected, what they needed from me. All of that had to go, because God is in charge. So don't allow your fears to stop you. All right? Don't allow that to hold you back any longer. Time is precious here on earth, right? So make a good use of it, enjoy it, but go after your dreams, go after your goals, especially if it's to do something like YouTube. Honestly, we all have a story, we all have experiences, we all have things that we can share, we can educate somebody about, inspire somebody, motivate somebody. Share that story, right? Share that story. So don't ever allow those fears and those doubts, in your head stop you. Get up and go do it. Make that move today. Make that first step today, right? Make that first step today. So anyways, if that's for you, take inspired action today. Bring it to God in prayer for confirmation, and He will direct your path. Bye.